Good afternoon, guys. So right now I'm here at Ungka. As you can see there, that is the Ungka flyover. This is currently C1 right here. The reason for that is there seems to be a new bike lane and also probably a future esplanade right here on C1 along Ungka. So we have these guys taking pictures along the railings. So this is probably maybe 2 months or 3 months ago that they started this sidewalk, and then they put up some pavement blocks. This is probably around currently maybe at least 200 meters and maybe 500 meters the most, but some parts of it at the end of this side of C1, I think they still haven't placed the railings and the pavement blocks. So anyway, I'll just show you the parts where the pavement blocks has been installed and the railings as well. On the other side, you can see that there are some drainage being installed. So they dug up the other side of the road to install the drainage and the cement pipes right there. So walking further, by the way, we have a beautiful sunset going on right now. So this part right here is a bit narrower than the other side on further down. So probably for now this is around 200 meters. So in my previous video I did the speculation that there will be a future bike lane on this part of C1 until the area where the next flyover, which is on the crossing near Vista Mall. They are, I think, in the future gonna build the same sidewalk and bike lane. So they just started on this part at Ungka Haro. So this area right here, no railings yet. So just in front of Sea Oil, which is the gasoline station just across the street, is where it ends currently. So I think they have some bit of a tent. The workers have built a bit of a tent here. So this is the end of the pavement blocks at the moment. So from the area where I started, that is around 200 meters. So we'll be doing future updates on this part of C1 as the project progresses. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching, guys.